Now we will see how to convert percentage into decimal numbers. So as we learned in our previous slide that converting percentage to any other form, we will just take this value part and divide it by 100. So this 35% equals 35 division 100. Previously we simplified and converted into fraction, but here instead of doing that, we will convert into decimal value. So to convert into decimal value, what do we need to do? 35, there is no decimal point, that means we can consider there is a decimal point here, which is being divided by 100. There are two zeros, so this decimal point will go left by 2 digits. So if we move this decimal point 2 digit left, 1, 2, it will be decimal point and 35. Since there is no digit before decimal point, we will put a 0. Similarly here, the value is 175 and we will divide by 100. Now here also there is no decimal point, so we will consider there is a decimal point here, 2 zeros, so it will go 2 digit left, so it will come in front of 75. So we will get 1.75. Easy. This one here value itself is decimal and then percentage. So if we convert it into from percentage to decimal, we will take this value part, that is 17.5, and then divide by 100. Now it itself got decimal point, so this decimal point will move 2 digit left because of this division 100. So if we move this one 2 digits, so it will come in front of 1, so we will get 0.175. Here 0.015%. So this is the value part. To convert into decimal, we need to take this value part 0.015 and then divide it by 100. Now this decimal point will move because of this division 100, 2 digit left. We don't have 2 digit more, so we will put another 0, so decimal point will come here. So you can write it 0.00015. 0.00015. That means converting any percentage value into decimal is just taking the decimal point and moving it into 2 digit left, if it has decimal point already, and if it is an integer value, there is no decimal, so we will consider there is a decimal here and just moving the decimal 2 digit left. Let us do how we can convert this part percentage, that is when the value part is fraction and then percentage, how we can convert into decimal. So for converting that, first what we will do, we will just convert this fraction part into decimal first. So we will just take this fraction value and convert into decimal. So 2 division 125, this part we need to convert into decimal. To do that, we need to divide this 2 by 125. So it's smaller, so we'll take 0.10 will come, still small, we'll take another 0, it will be 0, so it will go one time, we are getting 125. So this will be 75, we are taking 0, so it will give us 4 times is 4 times 500, 5 times is 6 times. If we take 6 times, then 5 times 6 is 30, carry 3, 6 times 2 is 12 and 3 5, carry 1, 6, 7. Yep. So just this part, the value part is 0.016. So this one we can write 0.016%. We must keep this percent, because this is percentage, we did not convert anything, we just took the value part and convert that value part into decimal, got this. So percentage is still there. Now we will convert this percentage. So to convert this percentage, we need to divide by 100, and that division of 100, take this decimal point 2 digit left. So if we, without showing all this 100 division, we can just take this decimal 2 digit left. So that means before this 0. So 0.00016. So it will be 0.00016. This is the decimal value for this percentage. So now here 212 4 division 5, we need percent, that is 212 4 out of 5%, we need to convert it into decimal. So what we will do here, 212 4 out of 5, we need to convert this as a decimal, and still we will keep this part, we will just need to convert this part fraction part into decimal. So 4 division 5, if we convert 4 division 5, that is we will divide the 4 by 5. So what will happen is, if we will divide here, let us do here, we will divide the 4 by 5. 4 is small, so it will be 0.0840, done. So 0.8. So 212 4 out of 5, 4 division 5 can be written as 212 division decimal point 8. So this percentage is becoming, if we convert this value part only, we are getting 212.8, 212 decimal point 8 percent. Percentage is still there. We did not do anything with this percent. We just converted this value part into decimal. So now after percentage, this decimal point will go 2 digit left. So it will come between 2 and 1. So it will be 2 decimal point 128. So this is the decimal value corresponding to this fraction percentage. So if the value part of the percentage is fraction, first we will convert the value part only to decimal, and then we will take this decimal point 2 digit left to convert the whole percentage into a decimal value.